so beautiful. Let's see. On the peak. Let me show you the beautiful China. Friendly people. Polite. Hey. So cute. Wood mat. Let's go. This is the place of attention. Temperature today is like, I guess it's something -3. What they are doing. Everyone is, let me check it. Oh, it's perfect. It's perfect. Yeah. The birds. This is a historical place in China. Let's go inside. When we go inside, so everything is made of wood. It's 2023, bro. Wow. Pigeons. Something in a golden color. It's look like the old town. Maybe someone is living here, like maybe he was a king decades ago. What's inside? Oh wow. So beautiful. Let's check here. Oh, Japanese, Chinese, English display a bronze sculpture group themed with one of the one of Jin stories, accepting the food and returning the jade. There are also morals about the early exile days of the Dukiwan may be the name of some person, of Jin on the three sides of the wall, including Chong-er taking away from Qi on the east wall. Chong-er exile to other states to the north wall and attempt the Du-ke-hui of Jin to assassinate Chong-er on the west wall. Their names are difficult. So jade and money are going to exchange here. So jade is a stone. It's very beautiful and something very historical place. You know, it's a free. When you go inside, it's a free. You don't need to pay a single money. Everyone is busy in photography to keep their memories when they came here. Let's to take pictures of each other. Let's go there. Let me see. And let me show you guys. I will try to talk with someone in Chinese and show you too. Something like a king, a wise king, or maybe someone is going to discussing, and let me find if there is their name. I don't know. Ah, I guess it's a handmade. It's beautiful. Let ask someone if someone can explain me. Someone is taking a picture of me because I'm not Chinese. That's the reason. And this is fully wood made. Ah, the handmade things. Wow, it's very big. Gardish, Gardish, do you like the place? Yeah, they like it. Let's go in another place, another room. Maybe it's an office, or maybe let's check and read about them. So here is in three language: Chinese, English, and Japanese. Oh, Jie Zitui, 636 BC, a minister of Qin. Oh, Qin. Qin is the old name of this province. Qin is the name of this province. In like before, now this is Shanxi province, but it's also called a Qin province. During the spring and autumn period, he followed the exiled Tu Ke of Qin in early days, and once cut flesh off its own high of feet of Tu Ke of Qin. Later became the hermit and didn't ask for any reward from the Tu Ke of Qin. Thus, he earned the deep respect of his loyalty. Let's see inside. Hi. It's also very beautiful. You want to take a picture, but maybe let's go. It's very amazing. Something new. You can know about the history. You can know about the China. Oh, they close it and check the old age people locks. How they use the lock in the wood door. It's a new design. This is the first time in my life I see something like this type of lock. A double ring, and then is a lock. It's good. Wow. Oh, exact outside. Let's. Hi. How are you? I'm good. It has this. It displays a bronze sculpture group of themed with one story of the Jie Zitui, cutting off tight flesh to feed the Tu Ke. The moral shows the battle in Changpu, a major conflict between Qin and Chu for hegemony. In Japanese, I don't know. Wow. So there are so many people. That's up. Bye bye. Let's continue. वेट कर सब कुछ है. Let's continue. Must need to read about it. Again, Chinese, English, and Japanese. It displays a bronze sculpture group themed with one of the one of Qin stories. Soil granted in Wulu. There are morals about the early exile days of the one of Qin on three sides of the wall, including invoice dispatch to welcome the Tuke on the east wall. Zhong R's Zhong R mean in Chinese is used for sons, like so. There he have a son like returned to Qin on the south wall. The Zhong R traveled to Qi state on the west wall. A series of bronze Chimu bells and Chimu stones are placed on both sides of the wall. Check their lock. It's nice, not bad. Check. This is the another way to go out. Exact. It's a very beautiful. You can call a valley. Oh, no way! I saw these types of gates after a long time when I was kid and I was been in my valley. Sometimes we found these types of gates, but not this type of locks. So this is about the Qin stories. Bye bye.